Warm wishes and greetings to everyone present here. Today I am going to take a video lecture on the principal stresses and the principal planes when the strain material is subjected to the normal stresses on two mutual perpendicular planes, that is in the x-axis and y-axis, and whose notations are P and P dash. Both are tensile in nature. In addition to, all the planes are subjected to a shear stress small q on all the planes. How to determine the principal stresses, either capital P1 or sigma 1, and minor principal stresses capital P2 or sigma 2. I am using the notation major and minor principal stresses are sigma and sigma 2 respectively. So here the normal stresses P and P dash are tensile in nature, along with the shear stress on all the planes. Now you can see the strain material is subjected to the normal stresses, right, in the x-axis, that is P, and in the y plane you can see the P dash along with the shear stress Q on all the planes. So what will be the principal stresses acting on this principal plane? So principal planes are nothing but the planes, a pair of planes in which only the normal stress is acting and the shear stress is null or it is zero. So on the normal plane, only the normal stresses are acting, that are called as the principal stresses, and the corresponding planes are the principal plane. So here you can see this is the normal stress, only the sigma 1 is acting on this plane and sigma 2 minor principal stress perpendicular to that. There is no shear stress. So in this strain material, if I have taken on a plane BE, so this is about the equation you can see. So the major and minor principles are sigma 1 and sigma 2. Now you can see that the major principle sigma 1 is equal to P plus P dash by 2 plus square root of P minus P dash by 2 whole square plus Q square, where P and P dash are the normal stresses are acting on the two mutual perpendicular planes, and Q is the shear stress on all the plane. So if you are taking plus here, right, you are getting a major principal stress, provided these P and P dash are the tensile stresses. If any one is compressive stress, you have to put in the existing sign, put minus sign, plus suppose P dash is, right, compressive stress means P plus square bracket minus P dash. So it will become P minus P dash by 2. So like that you can find if both the compressive stresses are acting, right, minus P dash by 2, it will come here, minus P plus P dash by 2 whole square it will come. Okay, so this is the major principal stress equation, and the minor principal stress sigma 2 or capital P2 is equal to P plus P dash by 2 minus, instead of plus here minus square root of P minus P dash by 2 the whole square plus Q square. So if sigma and sigma 2 are getting a numerical value of positive, say for example 100 Newton per square millimeter, so and sigma 2 is a plus 50 Newton per square millimeter, that positive sign indicates it is a tensile stress. The major and minor principal stress are tensile stress. So if you are getting sigma and sigma 2 are negative value, that means both major and minor principles are compressive in nature. So instead of here diagram, so this is a tensile, you have to put compressive stress here, compressive major, minor, this is perpendicular to that, so you are getting compressive stress here instead of that. So this way you can able to find that the major and minor principal stresses. So how to locate the principal plane? Principal planes can be located tan 2 theta is equal to minus 2q divided by P plus P dash. So from that you can get the value of theta 1, theta 2. So theta 1, theta are perpendicular to one another. For example, we are getting theta 1 is a 40 degree, theta 2 will be of 40 plus 90, that is 130 degree. So because these two planes are perpendicular to one another, so this is about how to find the principal plane and also how to find the major and minor principal stress in the case of strain materials in two-dimensional body. So if it is a three-dimensional, you will get sigma 1, sigma 2 and sigma 3, that is major principal stress, immediate, intermediate principal stress and minor principal stress. So now we are seeing only the two-dimensional stresses in a strain material, how to find the major and minor principal plane and also the major and minor principal stresses. Thank you very much for present listening. God bless. வாழ்க வையகம் வாழ்க வளமுடன்.